Hello, in this video I will show you how to send a WhatsApp message without adding the contact to your phone. Open the WhatsApp application and press on the small plus button in the bottom right corner. Press on the first contact, which will be your own phone number. Send the phone number as a message and then press on it once it turns blue. Now you can send a WhatsApp message or call the number without adding it to your contact. You can send WhatsApp message to an international phone number. Just make sure to add the country code before. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.